Hi students, good morning. Today we will learn chapter number 5, Children and Women in Sports. In this topic, in this chapter, first topic is motor development and factor affecting it. First of all, we will know about the meaning of motor development. Okay. So what is the motor development? So motor development is the development of child's bones, muscles and his her ability to move around and manipulate his her environment. Okay, in other words, we can say development means the development of various motor abilities from birth to death. Okay, okay children, so birth to death, we do something, we are doing whatever activities we are doing, jumping, running, throwing, catching, these all activities are come under the motor development. Okay, in other words, motor development is the progressive change in movement throughout one's life. Okay, so various motor development, motor movements or motor skills are essential for everyday life. Okay, everyday's life, because every day we are doing something, we have to do something. Okay, so these motor development activities divided into two parts. Okay, so every day actually we are doing something, some activities. Children have to be active every day. Okay, and any sports, every day we are playing any sports, every day we are doing any activities. So these are the very helpful to the development of ourselves. Okay, like physical skills, it develops physical skills, we get exercise. Okay, make friends, have fun, learn to play, learn to fair play and improve self esteem through games and sports. Okay, through group activities, right? And physical development, mental development, social development, emotional development, physiological development and psychological development, then motor development. Okay, so motor development is the main part here. Okay, main topic is motor development. So motor development divided into two parts. First is gross motor development and second one is fine motor development. Okay, gross motor development and fine motor development. So we are coming here about the first, gross motor development. Okay, so what is the gross motor development? Gross motor development, it involves the development of large muscles in the child's body, especially while sitting, walking, running, climbing, etc. Okay, because the in our life, everyday's life, we do something, we do some activities. The activities are belongs to walking, running, climbing, sitting. So these all are the activities come under the gross motor developments. Okay, where our big muscles activities are worked. Okay, second, another one is fine motor development. Okay, so fine motor development, it involves the small muscles of the body, small muscles, small bones of the muscles, especially during the small movement of the fingers and hands. Okay, for example, holding the javelin, discus, pole, catching a cricket ball, smashing a volleyball, gymnastic exercise, okay, with or without any apparatus. Okay, so these are the activities. Whenever we are doing these types of activities, these activities come under the motor development, because small muscles, small bones are involved to do the work. Suppose we are catching the ball, our fingers, small bones are there, small muscles are there, they are working. Okay, so this is the meaning and types of motor development. Okay,